If your tap water tastes awful, you're in for a treat. Let's revolutionize it with the Frizzlife WB99H. Introducing the Frizzlife WB99H Countertop Reverse Osmosis System. It's not just an RO system, it's an instant hot water dispenser, an alkaline RO water filter, and your new kitchen best friend. With 0.0001 micron RO and LED filtration, this system reduces over 1,000 harmful contaminants by 99.99%. Chlorine, fluoride, lead, and even arsenic, gone. The alkaline filter raises the pH value for water that's not just pure but beneficial for your health. Need hot water on the fly? The WB99H has got you covered. Adjustable temperature settings from 45 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius mean you can brew your perfect cup of tea, coffee, or baby formula in no time. Plus, choose your perfect water volume with options like 120 milliliters, 250 milliliters, 500 milliliters, and continuous dispensing. The Smart Touch panel is a breeze to operate. It monitors TDS, filter life, and water quality in real time, reminding you when it's time to change the filters. If the water's been sitting too long, the indicator turns red. No more guesswork. And how about portability? The elegant, compact design fits anywhere, from your kitchen counter to your office desk. The portable pitcher lets you take pure water wherever you need it. Setup? Simple. Just plug it in and fill the tank. Zero installation needed. Filter replacement is a twist-in breeze. So why settle for ordinary when you can have extraordinary? Upgrade your hydration game with the Frizzlife WB99H today.